In this video, you will see how we can show labels using expression in QGIS. For that, first let's input a shape. Okay, let's see the attribute table of this shape. We can see that there are two fields. One is country name and another one is capital. So let's close this. And if we turn on the labels, the country name is shown. Let's do some symbol of this so the countries will show different colors. We turned on the labels and it is only showing the country names. But we want to show the country names along with the capitals. Let's go to the properties of this layer. Go to labels. And we can see that the name is selected in the value. We can also select the capital from here and apply. Now the capitals are shown. To show both of them together, we need to use the rule-based labeling instead of single labels. Let's click on rule-based labeling. You can see that one rule is already here for showing the capitals. Let's add another rule. Click on plus and we will use the value name here so that country name will be shown. Let's click on OK. Now press apply and OK. You can see that either the capital name or country name is shown, but both of them are not shown together. So it doesn't work actually. Let's go to the properties again and remove a rule. Click on the existing rule. Double click. Now in the value field, we will not select a value from here. We will go to the expression. You can see the expression. The field name is name. So it's showing the country name. And we want to show the capitals also. So let's add the capital. Go to the fields and values and double click on capital. Capital is added here, but the expression is invalid because we need to concatenate them using plus. Now you can see that country name and capital is showing together. Let's do some formatting so that those two are shown in two lines. For that we need to add next line command. Let's add this. Next line command is \n and put it within the single quotation. Now you can see that our country name is in first line and second line shows the capital. Let's also add a label for each one. Before country name, we can add country. And before capital, we can add a text capital. Now you can see that the country and capital is showing in a good format. When you are done, let's click on OK and do some formatting also here. Let's increase the font size a bit. We can also change the color, opacity and other things from here. Let's leave it as is now. Press on OK and let's apply and OK. You can see that our map is showing both of levels accurately. Using the expression, you can customize your labels whatever the way you like. Thanks for watching.